How to transfer contacts from an iPhone to an LG phone. Congratulations on your new LG phone. Transferring your contacts and other data from an iPhone to your LG phone is easy. We'll show you how. On your new LG phone, go through the activation and setup until it asks you to copy apps and data. Then tap on Next. Tap on an iPhone device. Now on the iPhone, open Safari and go to android.com/switch. Then follow the steps on the website to back up the data from the iPhone to Google. Once the iPhone is backed up, on the LG phone, sign in with your Google email address and password that the iPhone data was backed up to. Once signed in, the data will begin syncing and restoring to your LG phone in your Google Contacts, Calendar, and Photo apps. If you need further assistance, please visit lg.com/us/support.